Good morning, students. Our chapter is structure of atom, and we have learned about atomic number, mass number. What is atomic number? Number of protons. And in a neutral atom, number of protons is always equal to number of electrons. We have learned this in our last period. Today our topic is what about the number of electrons, protons in ions. We all know that noble gases are very stable, have got a very stable electronic configuration because they have completely filled shells, completely filled with electrons. So noble gases are unreactive, but all other elements do not have 8 electrons in their outermost orbit to become stable. They have either more or less than 8 electrons in their outermost shells. So these elements will try to complete their octet. That means to achieve 8 electrons in their outermost orbit. How can they do this? The elements can either lose their more extra electrons to become stable, to get a stable electronic configuration, to complete an octet, that is 8 electrons, or element can gain electrons from other elements to get the stable electronic configuration. So when these elements do this, either they lose or they gain their electrons, they become charged species. That means they do not remain atom, and such species which carry such charges like positive or negative charges are called ions. There are two types of ions. Positive ions, they are called cations. So when an atom loses electrons, that means if suppose an atom has got excessive electrons, the atom will try to lose their electrons to become stable. For example, let us look at this example of sodium atom. Its atomic number is 11. So what is the electronic configuration of sodium? Atomic number 11, 281. So from this electronic configuration, it is clear that it has got one valence electron in its outermost shell. So because of this one electron, sodium atom is highly unstable, and sodium atom will try to lose this one electron to get a stable electronic configuration of 28 neon. So when sodium atom loses this one electron, it becomes sodium 1 positive ion. How? Let us look at the number of protons. Sodium atom, neutral sodium atom contains 11 protons and 11 electrons, and that's why it is neutral. But when sodium loses its one electron, the number of protons remains 11, but number of electrons becomes 10. That means comparatively we see that positive charge is more, and that's why sodium gets a positive charge and it becomes sodium positive ion. So this is how a cation is formed. When atom loses its electron, the number of electron becomes less than number of protons, and that's why such new species carry positive charge. Now the next question is, what is the valency of sodium atom then? Yes, as it loses its one electron, its valency is 1. Now let us look at the second type of ion, that is negative ion. It is called anion. Now let us study an example of a chlorine atom. Its atomic number is 17. So what is the electronic configuration of chlorine atom? 17 electrons. How are they distributed? 2, 8, 7. That means it has got 7 valence electron in its outermost orbit. Now to achieve an octet, that is 8 electrons, how many more electrons chlorine require? Yes, 1 more electron is required to get a stable electronic configuration to achieve an octet. So that's why when chlorine will try to get 1 electron. So if chlorine gets 1 electron, what will be the electronic configuration? 288. Yes, after achieving this electron. But due to this, what is the number of protons? Initially the protons are 17 and electrons are also 17. But when chlorine gains 1 electron, number of protons remains 17, but number of electrons becomes 18. That means one electron is more than proton, and that's why chlorine has achieves a negative charge. It becomes chloride ion. And what is the valency of chlorine? Yes, it is 1 because it has tendency to gain 1 electron. Its valency is 1.